Welcome to the GSE dispensing stand at Labelexpo Europe 2017. Now, GSE dispensing is primarily known as one of the world's leading suppliers of dispensing systems to packaging and label converters around the world. But in recent years, the company has been transforming, offering a variety of services and software systems to offer solutions for reducing waste in its widest sense throughout the workflow. And I'm here with Marketing Director Maarten Hummelen to talk about the way the company has been changing in recent years. So, Maarten, welcome to your own stand.
Thank you.
And I'd can you just explain how the company has been changing recently?
Yeah, I think 10 years ago we introduced the color set match for the first time at the Labelexpo, and that I think that was a big change in the marketplace because it was a real convenient system to work with and really easy to use.
And this is a dispensing system.
It's a dispensing system specifically for the network market for water-based and UV curing components or inks. And what we see since then is that software and services, as you explained a little in your introduction, is becoming more and more important in the value proposition for our company. Because I think it's not about just making your own inks. It's also about indeed reducing waste in your workflow. And the only tool to do that, as we see it, is to have the proper ink management software.
Right. So, Maarten, just tell me what kind of support you're offering to customers now.
Yeah, the kind of support that we deliver is actually based upon the customer journey that we have defined at GSE. So we have 3 phases in the customer journey as we see it. The first phase is the advice phase. Then we have the implementation phase of implementing the ink logistics solutions that we have. And then the support phase, because we see managing your ink logistics and reducing wastage in your workflow is not a one-time project. It's a continuous process. So looking at the first phase, is the advice phase. We sit together with the customer to define the challenges that they face at the moment. And we actually have defined 10 business teams. These business teams are, for instance, traceability, management reporting, recycling of return inks, it can be software integration, so to name a few. And in the discussions we will prioritize those business challenges that the customer has, and then we will tailor the solution to their needs.
Yes, I see. Now, one thing we need to talk about, probably the star attraction here at Labelexpo, has been the global debut of your new software, Ink Manager. Can you tell me about this new solution?
Yeah, of course. At GSE we have introduced at this Labelexpo the new GSE Ink Management software. It's an all-new modular platform, and it replaces the current IMS Ink Management software as we have now. It will be equipped, the systems delivered as from the 1st of January of 2018 will be equipped with the new software. And it's, what I said, we started from scratch with the development of it. So it's a complete new connective platform. Also, we have extra functionalities like reporting functions, improved return ink management, and a better user interface.
I see. Can you just tell me why all this extra sophistication in software has been necessary?
Yeah, sure. The thing is that more and more requirements are coming from the marketplace. So, for instance, traceability, GMP, BRC, ISO, customer requirements, they all bring new requirements for traceability. So we have to think of that, what we can do. For instance, we now have an expiry date also from the base components that you can key in, and then we can track down all the base components also based upon the expiry date.
So finally, Maarten, how's Labelexpo been?
Yeah, it was a fantastic show, really. It was amazing. The number of visitors were much more than we expected actually, and we got a great feedback also from ink suppliers, printing houses on the new software. So we really look forward to help our customers to improve their ink logistics in the future.
Well, that's superb. And don't forget, check out the website as well as the blog page. We'll be updating that on a regular basis, looking at all sorts of challenges that package and label printing converters are facing relating to inks. So, all the very best from a very happy and successful Labelexpo GSE stand.
Thank you.